Thank you very much. That was a gorgeous tune composed by Michael Rooney and arranged by our very own Roisin Hughes. Just before we move on to our next set of jigs, I'll just take a second to introduce everybody. I think you might have met most of us by now, but at the back there on piano, we've got the amazing David Brown. On first flute there, the girl with all the stories, it's Patricia McArdle. And the hidden voice, Joe Armstrong, on flute and vocals. Kevin Murphy on piano accordion. And on concertina, the gorgeous Katrina McArdle. In the back there, Danny Boyle on drums and flute. And us fiddlers, we've got Mairead Canning, woo! Eileen Grant, Roisin and myself, I'm Louise Hunter. We're going to play a set of jigs now. Of course, our amazing guest at the back there, Adam Brown. He's hiding behind Roisin. We're going to play some jigs now, led off with the flute players. Well, we've come to the end of the evening. And we've got a few people we'd like to thank before we finish up. We have been a bit of a nightmare to work with as far as the sound goes, because we've been here and on and off, and there's another 4 people coming, there's some dancers, and we need an extra bit of stage and everything else. But these guys have worked amazingly with us, so please put it together for the sound men. They've been absolutely amazing. Jim and George, thank you. Want to thank our guests, of course. Adam again, let's give him another clap. The most claps he's had in a night. Our 4 brilliant fiddlers, Katie, Lorraine, Claire and Johnny. And of course the amazing Robin Stapleton, who's going to come and join us for this last set. So we're going to have a song and follow that with a couple of reels, and if you clap loud enough, maybe you might even get another wee step from Dennis and Aisling.
Are you in good singing voice? Oh, great. You'll know this one. It's a song that was written by an Irishman, inspired by a Scottish traditional song called The Braes of Balwhidder. But you do know it. Here we go. This is Wild Mountain Time. Oh, the summertime is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to the wild mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather.
Robin Stapleton. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Cheers, thanks very much. You twisted their arm. I never knew this would happen. Just before we finish off, just to reiterate what Louise said in many ways, thank you very much. Cheers to the Soundmen. Thanks very much to Celtic Connections for offering us the gig. But I suppose the gig came out of a culmination of probably what was ended up back at the start of it was like a decade of work. And Louise mentioned a lot of names. So you see some of the people on the stage here tonight, but behind them, over the last 10 years, over the last 30, 40, 50 years, there's been a host of other musicians who have influenced us, who are part of our peer group, who are our friends who we've grown up with, who are back in the band when they started that cycle of winning 9 All-Britain championships in a row. And I think there's 22 odd musicians or whatnot went. 22 is not an odd number anyway, and they're not odd people. But they've came through, and there's two, I probably won't remember them all, so I won't try and mention them one by one in case. But we appreciate their influence massively, and none more so than the person who's taught us all over the years. That's Mr. Frank McCardle. And we'd love nothing more to invite him to come up and play a couple of sets with us, if he'd be kind enough to join us. Okay. Thanks very much again, and we really appreciate your support, and we'll hopefully see you again here next year, or another venue next year, and we'll get all the band members up to play. All the best.
I hope they play tunes I know.
Go as far as G name. Do the box. Box.